All right, so these new rules, central rules, have come into effect from today for international travelers. These were announced following a high-level meeting to review public health preparedness with states and union territories in view of the new variant Omicron. Now, the Delhi airport, which began RT-PCR testing on arrival of passengers from designated at-risk countries, tweeted that operations for international arrivals from at-risk countries are running smooth as fresh travel guidelines for the variant have now kicked in. Here's a report sent to us by Akshay.
Keeping in view the Omicron variant of COVID-19 have kicked in. So all these passengers, international passengers who are coming from the at-risk nations. Now at-risk has a category of a few countries including all of Europe, including UK. Now all of these passengers who have come in after midnight, they had to go through a mandatory RT-PCR test at the airport, and there are several travel advisories that were given to people. Now this has caused a lot of inconvenience to the people. However, the government has said that this is all being done to keep COVID in check. We have two passengers who have come from London. Sir, I'll speak to you first. I just want to know what exactly were the checks and balances inside the airport. What was the procedure like?
Can I speak in Hindi? हमें फ्लाइट के अंदर ये बताया गया कि अगर जिन्होंने दोनों डोज ले रखी हैं उसके लिए आप डायरेक्ट कुछ भी नहीं करना, आपको सीधा बाहर निकलना है। लेकिन जो ही हम एयरपोर्ट पे पहुँचे, इतनी अफरा तफरी थी, कोई उनका अरेंजमेंट नहीं था बिल्कुल, और लोगों ने फ्लाइट्स वो दूसरी फ्लाइट करा रखी थी और वो सारे के सारे लोग परेशान थे। उनकी सारी फ्लाइट छूट गई। वो इतने परेशान थे कि उन्होंने कहा कुछ नहीं हो सकता, आपका ये मैंडेटरी है, हम इसमें आपकी कोई हेल्प नहीं कर सकते।
जो गवर्नमेंट ने लिया है एक्शन, ये लेना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को एक्शन, ये सही है। लेकिन एक जो रूल्स रेगुलेशन होता है वो प्रॉपर वे में होना चाहिए। जैसे हम लोग उतरे तो हम लोगों को एक होना चाहिए, ऐसा हुआ जो लोग ने पहले डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन किया, लेकिन कोविड टेस्ट पीरियड में लोगों ने पूरा धजिया उड़ाया।
While there are certain checks and balances required, keeping in view the Omicron variant of COVID-19, there should be certainly improvement as far as the procedure is concerned, so that many of the passengers who are coming from long flights do not face a lot of inconvenience after arrival to the airports in India. With camera person Sushil Rathi, I'm Akshay Dongre for IDTV.